Hello everyone, I'm Rosikson. I'm just learning English. Today I will tell you about trading bot on the Kucoin exchange.
3 advantages of trading bot of using Kucoin Trading Bot. What is a trading bot? A trading bot is a free trading tool that can save the time and energy of users and improve the winner rate. What can trading bots do for me? Reduce repetitive work. Trading bots can assemble and copy heavy tasks to help you easily execute trades. For example, if you rebalance your investment portfolio every 4 hours, you can use a smart rebalance bot and program it so that the bot automatically balances your investment portfolio. Seize the trading opportunity. In the trading process, timing is very important, and each of your trades will have a huge impact on the potential profit. For example, if you want to execute a trade after a certain condition is met, you need to observe the key line. So, as not to miss the best time, using a trading bot can help you monitor market holdings and execute trades 24 hours a day continuously. Reduce trading risk. In most cases, the market is fluctuating. Trading bots are great for this, as they will continue to carry out arbitrage with the flow of the market. In the extreme unilateral rise market, the smart rebalances bot will not miss profit. In a unilateral fall market, the trading bots greatly reduces the losses and further reduce investment risk. So, as not to miss the best time, using a trading bot can help you monitor market holdings and execute trades 24 hours a day continuously. Reduce trading risk. In most cases, the market is fluctuating. Trading bots are great for this, as they will continue to carry out arbitrage with the flow of the market. In the extreme unilateral rise market, the smart rebalances bot will not miss profit. In a unilateral fall market, the trading bots greatly reduces the losses and further reduce investment risk. What are dollar cost bots? The Kucoin DCA bot is used by investors and traders who believe in the philosophy of time in the market being superior to timing the market. The strategy generates gains by buying the target assets at regular intervals and trading through the volatility in the crypto market to average the buy price. It also helps traders to avoid making the mistake of going all in at a bad time. What are spot grade trading bots? The spot grade trading bot is the most popular Kucoin bot trading strategy. It allows users to buy low and sell high in specific price ranges. This strategy has shown the best results in volatile markets. Traders can use this bot by using the recommended settings, adjusting the parameters themselves, or copying the configuration of top performance. Can you make money with Kucoin Trading Bot? Countless users have earned a stable source of passive income by using the Kucoin Trading Bot at absolutely no cost. That said, all trading involves risk. Every investor and trader should build cryptocurrency responsibly and avoid decision. Is Kucoin Trading Bot free? The Kucoin Trading Bot is free to use for any register or use on Kucoin. We only charge transaction fees per trade, just like any other form of trading on other market. All you need to do is load up your account and pick a trading bot strategy to start your trading journey. Thank you for watching. I will be grateful for the critics in the comments and also register using the link in the description and get a discount on the trading commission. Good luck everyone and bye. Rostixon with you. Nice.